only use butter and chicken broth when I'm cooking my whole body turkey. I do not use salt. It dries the turkey out. I've had several chefs tell me that. Besides, there's enough salt in the butter. I do use salted butter. So, you want to take the butter right from the refrigerator and just slice off thin slices of butter, or thick. You want them to be firm and hard though, so you don't want to have soft butter, because you're going to take your hand and you're going to just put your fingers just under the skin on the turkey breast to loosen it up so there's a space between the turkey breast and the skin, because this is where you're going to slide in these pats of butter. Just take your hand, slide it in as far as it will go. These will melt as it's cooking. So you can also, of course, use olive oil and herbs and slide it under the skin too. Whatever your preference is. Coconut oil also is a good choice. The other thing you want to do is put 2 to 3 to 4 cups of chicken broth at the bottom of the pan, depending on how large your turkey is. 4 cups if it's about 24 pounds. Less if it's a smaller turkey. You want to use either water or chicken broth. It helps the moisture in the oven. If you have any questions, go to marysturkeys.com.